In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record Zoom meeting on a laptop or PC with audio. Open Zoom app, click on arrow next to microphone icon to select correct microphone and speaker from the list. If you are not meeting host, ask host only to record. Host can do this by clicking on participants, going over a name, and then click on more and selecting auto record. If you're host or have been given permission, click on the record button at the bottom of Zoom window. Ensure that the microphone is muted so your voice is recorded properly. When you're done, click on stop recording button or clicking on the end meeting. After meeting ends, Zoom will automatically become recording. And once meeting has ended, Zoom will save recording either on your local computer or in the Zoom cloud storage. If you choose this option, recording would typically be found in a Zoom folder in your computer. If you want to find it, click on Card in the right corner.